You know, last night and this morning, the pain was so bad. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like you know, like, can you know, like, can I bear this pain? I'm just.
Haba. Mas haba ng right leg. Your right leg is longer this year.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayun. Exhale. Oh. Okay. In. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. All the way out. Okay. Okay.
So I was not one. Kasi kanina lang ako nervous na talaga.
Okay. Okay. Exhale.
Uy.
Okay.
Wow. That was really amazing. Hello, Paul.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Mr.
Paul.
Tillman.
Good morning,
Hi,
Paul. Yeah,
Sherwin.
fist bump.
Good morning.
Dr. Sherwin.
Dr.
Our,
Sherwin.
our friend, his name is Sherwin also. He drove us here.
As in, ano, SHERWIN.
With another N.
His just has a Y in it
Yeah,
also.
it has a Y.
But the way that you
YN.
YNN.
YN.
Opo.
WYN Sherwin.
Kaya sabi ko, kala ko po malayo sa Daso.
Di ba po, no?
Opo.
Malapit lang.
Malapit kasi may mga back roads.
Apo. Ayun.
Sabi ko agad alis na tayo. Kasi talaga po in pain siya earlier eh.
Oh yeah, it was really bad. Not so much now, but it was really bad. But I know
How
exactly.
long do you feel it?
I think this is maybe the fourth day because I
The
was.
worst one is yesterday.
Yesterday was really bad because maybe I didn't handle it so well, so I think I aggravated it. So yesterday and then yesterday evening it gets really bad, and it's like last night I barely got sleep because it's so painful.
Yeah.
Opo.
Mm-hmm.
And even most of this morning, but she just had some videos showing some stretches to do, and it kind of helped out. And also we believe in prayer, and so yeah, so
First and foremost.
Oppo. So it's yes, Oppo. First and foremost. So it's still I can feel where it is, and but before it's like lots of pain in the front, and then the lower back, and it kind of radiates, moves around either here or here, but it's coming from the back.
Pastor
Can you
Sherwin,
stand up?
Okay. Okay.
In front.
Oppo.
There, I see. Okay. If you see, oh, wait. On the other side.
Oppo.
Yung sa mirror.
Oppo.
Ayan, mirror. See, I just want to for you to see that this shoulder here is moving anteriorly positioned
Oppo.
compared to this.
Oppo.
So there is already a subluxation which is needed to find right somewhere right here. And also this. Depressed, elevated. We need to proceed pain mapping. You need to lie down first.
Oppo.
Jay, buksan yan din. Lie down, sir.
Okay, face here. Oppo.
Right there.
Oppo.
Hands.
Oppo.
Yun. It was so long.
Standard naman.
Okay. I'm fine.
Sir, no. E5. Siya.
Whenever she sends, I appreciate it. Or send it.
Huh?
No, I was just talking. Oh, haba. Mas haba ng right leg. Your right leg is longer than this shit.
Yeah.
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 Oh man, I'm overdo
He will straight and he'll straighten it.
Big fat
It's
challenge.
like a centimeter long.
Well, it makes sense because the back, it always hurts when I've had the problem, it's
So you
always on
have
this side.
also, like my dad, what do you call that? It's hard to pronounce. Sometimes my other leg is longer than the other one, I can feel it. Pag may back pain na.
Is there a pinch nerve?
Opo.
Pinch pain.
Opo, I can show you where I think it feels like the originates right about here, po.
Okay. Elevated.
Your right butt cheek's bigger.
Big bad challenge. Nakabuli ko sa akin yan. Ayan. Ano sabi niya kanina? Mama, di ba nanalo ka sa big bad challenge?
Friends, right?
Ano na?
Don't worry, man. I'm sure one of my cheeks is bigger too. So.
Inhale. All the way out. Okay. How do you feel?
How do you feel that?
Oh, yeah, I felt it crack. I felt it crack, but it didn't hurt. It's good somehow.
Inhale. Exhale.
Uy,
Okay.
how are you?
I'm okay. That was scary, but it was okay.
We want to laugh every time we hear the sound.
No,
Your name, please.
Greg.
Bishop, you have a bodyguard just in case. If he's hurting you, let us know.
Yeah. Ready. I'm videoing it
I
so,
feel-
so our kids can see and then laugh at you loud. So
I feel like I'm in some
They're
kind
here
of.
right now.
I feel like I'm in some kind of experiment that is successful.
what is the girls gonna do next time?
They will be making some coconut jokes right now. If they were here.
Yung mga anak namin, magkakuha sa rin daddy
We
nila.
never
Yeah.
really expect that this is gonna be a funny
Okay.
So I was not one. Kasi kanina talaga, nervous na talaga.
Okay.
Wow.
Oo, umiyak na ako nila. Tsaka kasi hindi na siya maamal talaga. He's not complaining past or anything. He was not. Last night na lang. Kaya, agad-agad ako ba? Talagang ano siya sa pain.
I didn't say mom. He's not screaming, mom. Sorry.
Okay, you're still awake.
He's not screaming, mom.
I mean, yung ganun siya, di ba? But normally,
Oh, tingnan niyo po yun ngayon.
Ay, pantay na, Bishop. It's already
Hmm.
parang delikado pag patay
Wow.
na.
It's even.
Dapat hindi.
Balance.
But-
Balance.
Alex,
You know, I knew you could do that with cars. You could align them like that. I didn't do that with people.
good that you're wearing New Balance. Okay.
There's no balance.
Sound like a sermon.
Side, side.
Yeah, he's got your sermon.
Face right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Okay, wait.
Babe, are you good?
And,
Okay.
and. Okay. Then, side. Yeah. Okay.
Now the pain is here, Doc.
Yes, yes. We need to align L5S1. Yes, relax. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Oh. Okay. Straight.
This is amazing.
You're in the video.
You can do all things, Christ strength.
Okay.
Amen. I want to say the video.
What's the song, the third song on last Sunday? Hotter.
Ah, okay.
Stand up.
Take me, move me,
Relax.
use me, walk beside.
Okay.
Wow. No, I said wow.
Your socks are fresh, man. You know what I'm saying? They got nice socks. Man.
It's washed, it's
I didn't
washed.
say that. I didn't mean that.
It was just
You
a
know,
day.
it's the strangest thing when he's doing what he's doing. It's like, it feels like it's supposed to hurt, but it doesn't hurt.
Well, it hurt to her.
No, I'm just saying, wow, it's amazing.
Your wallet's constricted.
Inhale. Relax, relax.
We have to pass it.
One more.
Sayang lang.
Inhale. All the way out.
Ano siya, napuputol-putol after certain minutes. I don't know why.
Pero kanina, it was what?
Oo, hindi nasa,
Sige,
nasa live niyan po yan, di ba? Doon na lang natin papanood.
sige.
Para maasar siya ng mga anak niya.
This is really cool, man.
How are you?
Everything he's done didn't hurt my back. It seems like it should hurt, but it doesn't. Like you can feel that like there's a force when they do the movement, but it doesn't hurt.
Doon ka din. I-adjust ko yung ano eh. Kailangan i-hold natin siya. Dito. Dito siya. Ayan. Doon. Side. That's the right. Okay. Inhale. One more. Ayun. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale.
He's saying that,
Okay.
you want to ask me to drop
All right.
Try to move. Try to move.
I feel good.
Are you sure? Oh.
Side to side.
I felt a little bit here. I mean, it's still like a little bit of pain, but it's every movement's, there's no lack of range of movement.
Okay.
But last time there is
Yeah.
this morning.
Mhm.
Compared to
Oh, it's much better. It's there's just like the soreness that's there, but as far as range of movement, but that soreness has been there since last time. But there's
from 1 to 10,
the
the
soreness.
range.
Oh, it's very low now. This is very tolerable. Maybe the soreness is maybe 2. I just noticed it's where.
One more adjustment.
Okay.
Slow down. That's Just relax. Just relax. This is a traction. Okay.
Okay.
Normal. See? Sit up.
Wow.
Side, side.
Yeah.
side to
Even
side.
the soreness.
Even the side. Okay.
Oh. Thank the Lord. Wow. The Lord led us to the right place.
The right Sherwin!
Drove to the message to Dr. Sherwin. That was really amazing. That's my first time. I've heard of chiropractic, but that was my first time
Yeah.
to experience. That was really amazing.
Oh.
That was really amazing. I mean, because you use force, but it doesn't hurt. It's,
Yeah, my eyes are closed. I'm like,
That's what we call the
cramping.
thrust technique that all chiropractors use.
Wow. That was really amazing.
Thank God.
Thank God. Thank God. He led us to you, and this was the right place. He led us to you. This was the right place, folks.
Thank you.
You know, last night and this morning, the pain was so bad. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like, can I bear this pain? I'm saying, Lord. Wow, this is really amazing. Yes, yeah. Amazing. Yes, thank you. Lord.
Observe na lang po niya, ma'am. Tapos
Observe na lang.
observe na lang po. 7 days po yun.
Okay.
Tapos, hot and cold
Hot
compress.
and cold compress.
Doon po sa pinch nerve na kung meron pa.
Doon sa likod niya po.
After 7 days, kung wala na, hindi na kailangan.
Okay. Thank you.
Ibig sabihin po, ano po yan, naagapan na natin agad sa pinaka,
Before it gets worse.
apo.
We're able to catch it up before it gets worse.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
thank you
Thank
for
you,
Doc.
Doc.
So I just
God bless po.
so Doc, so I take it easy a little bit for a few days.
Yes.
Okay.
Walang buhat po
No lifting.
No more sleeping.
No more sitting.
Of course, no more sitting. You need
The longer one.
You should see
the longer one.
The longer
I got a longer one after what happened because we had a longer one and that one, you know, they fall apart. So then I got the small one and we have a corner lot, so we have like a lot to sweep. And when I'm sweeping it, But yeah, now we have one that's like this. Oh, thank you po. Salamat po.
Bless you.
God bless po. Thank
After
you po.
7 days.
Apa,
Thank
apa.
you.
Thank you po.
God bless po.
Oh, your shoes.
No, thank you. Oh,
Now
yeah.
you can put it without hardship.
Wow.
Wala naman siya mga anti-inflammatory.
Wala po.
Wala.
Hayaan nyo lang po yung naturalesa ang inopen naman na inunlock na po natin yung
Yung na-pinch.
yung pong mga compression na nangyari. L4, L5 na lumbar.
Okay.
Po. Ang naging problema niya po talaga nakita ko nandito sa bayback.
Your
Yun po yung
issue is
hindi.
really here, which is even before. Because this one, it's causing you headache, remember? Nagpaano pa tayo? MRI pa tayo.
Yes.
Now, Doc saw it done.
Mhm.
He also opened it.
That was amazing.
Dinicompress na natin siya. Kasi nagpupuse na. Nagpupuse na po yung ano yung disc niya.
Your discs are used like, it's like all together.
Compression.
Wala nang space, di ba? Dapat may
Opo, dapat may.
lubricant or
Opo, opo.
something.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much po. Yeah.
So now we're listening for now.
Okay.
Thanks be to
Thank-
God.
thank
Yes,
God.
salamat din.
Salamat.
You're the answer to the prayer.